Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense. We break down grammar, teach you useful phrases, and with over 1,000 videos, there's always something new to learn. Whether it's for school, work, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. New lessons every week, if not every day, so hit subscribe and join the community. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together, one English lesson at a time.
Let's practice English 3. Asking basic questions to improve your English level. I wish you good luck. Ask questions. My name's Jess. So what is the question? Ask about this sentence. My name's Jess. What is the question? I am from Morocco. What is the question? I am 23. What's the question? My address is California Street, number 41, F3, Madrid. What's the question? So try to stop the video here and answer all the questions, then you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. Her name's Jessica. What's the question about this sentence? Number 2. She's from Brazil. What's the question? She's 19. What's the question? Her address is Paris Street, number 17, F3, Rabat. What's the question? So you are going to do the same. You stop the video, answer all 4 questions, then you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. His name's Stefan. What's the question? He's from Germany. What's the question? He's 38. What's the question? His address is Miami Street, number 72, C1, Berlin. What's the question? You are going to do the same. Stop the video here until you finish the 4 questions, then you can move to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. What are the days of the week? So as you know, we have 7 days in the week. So what are they? And it's better if you write them in order. So what is the first day? What is the second day? What is the third day? What is the 4th day? What is the 5th day? What is the 6th day? And what is the 7th day? As I said before, stop the video here, write all the days, then go to the next question. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. Her phone numbers 002126786754456. So what is the question? Number 2. His mobile numbers 00 or 00 or 00 or 00 33 or 33 509 8675 4347. Number 3. What's the question? Number 3. Our phone numbers 00 23 70 98 76 54 34. What's the question? And the last question of this group, their mobile numbers 0044 97 15 58 76 32 5. What's the question? So you stop the video, answer all the questions, then you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Write the following numbers in words. So these numbers are from 11 to 19. To practice the numbers from 11 to 19. Let's see if you can write them well. So you stop the video, write the numbers, then when you finish, you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. My emails, Hassan23 at, so this symbol is pronounced at gmail.com. So what is the question? Number 2. Her email is Georgina89 at yahoo.com. That's the question. Number 3. His email is Robinson54 at hotmail.com.
What's the subject of your email?
What's the question? Number 4.
Okay. What would you like the email to say?
Their emails Carl at citymail.com. What's
Here's
the
your
question?
email message to Robinson. It says, their emails to that car at citymail.com. Ready to send it? Change message.
So now write the names of 7 colors.